What's up, traders? This is Trader Sham. So let's have a look on the Bitcoin. So today I picked up the 4-hour time frame, and it is very clear that we are on a bearish momentum since the fake out has been created on the major resistance identified. So here we have this major resistance or the supply zone identified, so which is basically a huge potential sell zone identified on the hourly to daily time frame. And also the price has respected this level as a major sell zone because we have seen that these two price trends that which the Bitcoin has created has got faked massively to the downside, and we have seen a huge selling potential being created after when the price has been breaching to the upside. And at the moment of breaching to the upside, we have seen a huge potential of selling pressure identified. So even the spot ETF didn't help out the Bitcoin, so we are seeing a potential bearish trend based on the higher time frame resistance zone identified here. And also I have spotted an interesting structure, so which I have picked up with this following trend line. So I have connected these high lows that which the BTC has created on the hourly time frame. So once I have connected this trend line or the channel into the price trend that which the Bitcoin has already created, I have identified that the price of BTC, once again, it has showed up a bearish breakout over this following lower boundary. So we had a previous fake out or fake breakout identified, but still the price has respected this setup and also followed up a bearish breakout to happen over the period. So here we are seeing a bearish momentum with the breakout identified. So here we are expecting a downside momentum or a downside shift to be identified based on the price of breakout or the breakout that we have been identified recently. So here it is very clearly showing up that the recent price action of BTC with the reversal which has been taken after the sell-off that we have seen on this following trend. So we are seeing that this correction leg has respected this following resistance level, and right now we are seeing a reversal once again to the downside. So here we have a potential of seeing a double tops formation. So here we have a nice formation of a double tops formation. So this is about to show up a downside shift or a downside momentum in the near future. So we have the confirmations of major sell zone or supply zone identified, and also the following setup is showing up a breakout over this following hourly trend line with by connecting the high lows that which the BTC has already created. So we have this fake out and then the respected price action over here. So the price has respected here over the following resistance level or the supply zone. So also we have identified that the price has respected this level as a breakout, and also a bearish trend is about to happen with the breakout identified. So this is what I see on the Bitcoin at the moment. So here it is very clear we have a strong selling potential identified above this resistance level, which is held close to 44,000. So at the moment 44,000 is a key sell zone identified on the Bitcoin. So this is going to be a major selling pressure based on the price action. So if we can confirm a downside momentum, then the ultimate target that we can expect over the period is going to be close to 40k once again, since we have a support identified or a demand zone identified close to this area. So it is very clearly showing up that this price of BTC has respected this level as a major support or a demand zone over the period. So we have multiple times of respected price action close to this following demand zone. So we have a chance of seeing another revisit back towards the following demand zone identified. By any chance, if the price can confirm a bearish breakout further to the downside and creates a breakout over this following demand zone, then we can initially hit towards the following key low that which the price has already created, which has been held close to 38,600 or somewhere close to that area. So this swing low is going to be achieved once the price confirms a bearish breakout over this following demand zone, and then we have potential downside momentum if the trend remains strong and valid. So here we have a chance of seeing a bearish breakout only if the volume and also the selling pressure remains strong against the bullish pressure. So we have a very strong demand zone, and so far with the confirmation we are just expecting a momentum back towards the following demand zone identified. So to be more accurate with the analysis, we have to keep a close watch over this demand zone in order to identify a bearish breakout. So by any chance, if the price confirms a bearish breakout, we can nearly expect a target close to 35k to 50 or somewhere close to this area, because we are holding up 1.61% on the Fibonacci retracement levels. So here this is holding up close to this following key support zone identified. So this is going to be a significant target based on the confirmation. So for this to happen, we have to confirm a bearish breakout over this following demand zone. So here also we can identify that this area or this level has been respected as a key level. So here we have this as a flip zone or a major key level identified, because we have seen some respected price action which has acted as resistance and also support once again over here. So once the price breaks to the upside, here we have the BTC got supported over this level. So this is a major key level identified, and also because of that being considered, we can identify that with the Fibonacci retracement, which is perfectly aligning perfectly with the Fibonacci retracement. So here we are expecting a decent target close to 35k once the price confirms a bearish breakout to the downside. So for the moment we have this confirmation. So we have this resistance which is playing out close to 44k on the BTC. So this is a major sell zone identified, and also the recent price action also respected this level, and we have a trend breakout or a channel breakout identified to the downside, so which is confirming a potential bearish momentum to happen in the near future. So with that confirmation, we have a chance of revisiting back towards the following major demand zone identified with the previous price actions that we have identified or that we have validated with the compact testing, right? So this is what I see on the BTC, and hope this analysis is useful, and make sure to thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.